So now you can see that I have 4 pages right here with this particular design, just like this. And let's say I want to go ahead and print this out. In that case, I can go ahead and print these in individual pages, but what I can also do is print out all of these 4 pages in one single page as well if I want to. So for that, I'm going to go around onto File, and let me just go to Print Preview right here. Once you go to Print Preview, you can see that this is the file that I have right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to print 4 of these designs in the same page because the design fits in one particular page right here. So to do that, I can simply go around onto the left hand side, and you can see that Imposition Layout Tool is an option. And once you go ahead and do that, you can actually go ahead and choose the page across. So you can go ahead and see, and as I increase the number, you can see that I have a choice to print 2 of the similar designs together. You can also go ahead and increase the page across, and as you increase it out, you can see that more pages of the same design size actually pops up right here. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, go out right here, so let's just go around onto selection, you can see that all of the 4 pages are now here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that there are 6 pages, but I only have 4 pages. So if I were to go to the pick tool now, you only see 4 pages right here, and you can go ahead and then manually adjust out the location of all of these pages right here, just like this as well. So once this is done, so you can see that this is what you have right here. So let's just go ahead and arrange this out right here. You can see that these are the pages that you have right here. So now what you can simply go ahead and do now is print this out. So let's just go ahead and use print right here. And once you do that, I'm going to go around onto desktop and say, let's say, for example, same page print right here, just like this. So same page print, just like this. And once you do that, it actually gets printed out. So now if I were to go ahead and open this up, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and use this browser right here. Then what happens is that you can see that this is what you have right here. The pages has 4 of the designs of the different pages, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Imposition tool for print inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.